Okay, so we are going to do our problem set for understanding and solving two-digit dividend division problems with a remainder in the ones place by using place value disks. Let me share my screen. So your workbook page looks like this. Okay, and the directions say show the division using disks. Relate your work on the place value chart to long division. Check your quotient and remainder by using multiplication and addition. So let's start with this one. It says 7 divided by 2. So if we're going to do our place value disk, we're going to do 7. Well, that one didn't show up very well. Okay, so I have 7 ones and I need to divide those into 2 groups. So let me see here. All right, so 2 groups. I'm going to just make them down here. That'll be for one group and this will be for the other. So I'm just going to go one at a time. I'm going to take that one. I'm going to move it here. One for you, one for you. 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 And I have one right here that didn't go because I couldn't give one to each group. So when I say 2 or 7 divided by 2, let's see how many are in each group. 1, 2, 3. So I can put my 3 here. Okay. And I know that 3 times 2 was 6. So let's do the standard algorithm. And my 7 minus 6 means I had 1 left over. And I have to write that up here as a remainder. Remainder 1. So here I'm going to write my quotient was 3. Your quotient is your answer to your division problem. And it had a remainder of 1. Now, they want you to check your work. So what you're doing is you're going and you're multiplying these two numbers, the 3 and the 2. That made 6. And then if I add it back my remainder, I should get this answer right here. So I got 7. So I did and I checked it. Let's look at the next one. 27 divided by 2. So first we're going to do our number in place value, 20, 10, 20, and then there's 7 ones. Okay, and then it says I need to divide that by 2. So let me make a place to divide it. Okay, so I'm going to take this one and put it in a group. There's 1 10 and here's another 10. Okay, and then I'm going to do it with these. Here's 1. There's 1. There we go. Just like a 1 for you and 1 for me. And again, I have somebody left over. So then when I put it over here and I say 27 divided by 2, so the first part of it, I know that I had 2 groups here, and how many are in each group? I know that there is 1 in each group. So I'm going to put a 1 right here. Okay. And then in the standard algorithm, I'm going to subtract it, because 2 times 1 is 2. I had no remainders on that one. And then I'm going to bring this number down. Okay, and here I had 2 groups and there were 3 in each group. So I'm going to put a 3. And I know 3 times 2 was 6. I'm going to subtract it. There's my little remainder. I have to remember to write it up here, remainder 1. So my quotient was 13. And my remainder was 1. So in order to check my work, I need to do, first, I'm going to multiply the 13 times the 2. Okay. I get 26, and then I'm going to add my remainder back in. So now I have 27. And then I check, is that what this number says? Yep. Checked it.